Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile guys. Double tap to activate problem, how to solve. Friends, we have iqoo mobile double tap to activate problem means talkback problem. How to solve talkback in iqoo mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So how to solve talkback problem. Use your two finger and open your phone setting. One tap and press double tap, continue. After double tap, friends, open your phone setting, and after on click here Bluetooth setting and network setting, you can click here. Again use two fingers, because if you use one finger you cannot solve talkback problem. You cannot off talkback in your device. Use your two finger and scroll it. And press open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting with double tap, because friends if you one tap you cannot open. Double tap here and use your two finger again and scroll it. Open your phone accessibility setting, double tap, talkback setting, double tap here, use talkback, one tap, and friends double tap again, stop button, and press double tap, talkback problem will solve. And friends, now you can use your iqoo mobile without talkback problem. Talkback problem solved. And friends, you want to solve talkback problem with shortcut setting. So how to solve talkback problem with shortcut setting. So friends, again we will on talkback, and friends you can check we have again double tap to activate problem. One tap we cannot open any app. Double tap to open app. So how to solve talkback problem. Open your phone setting, double tap, friends click here search option, double tap, and again double tap here, search a TALK talkback. Friends click here talkback, double tap, continue. Talkback setting, one tap, double tap, use talkback, double tap, stop button, double tap, talkback problem solved. Friends, now you can use your iqoo mobile without talkback problem. And again you want to use double tap to activate setting. So friends, you can on from here, click here allow option, and you can on talkback again on your device. You don't want to use, so friends double tap here stop button, you can solve talkback problem. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.